Hallo und herzlich willkommen bei Laco.
Hello and welcome to Laco. Today we would like to take you on a short tour of our showroom. Customers are always welcome to visit us, get an overview of the Laco collection, put different models on their wrist, and also try out different sizes. And of course, if you like them, you're welcome to take them home. Let's start in the museum corner.
Die Gründung von Laco geht auf 1925.
The establishment of Laco dates back to 1925. This display case vividly showcases models that have been made at Laco throughout the decades. A particular highlight was the Laco Electric, which was developed and launched here in the early 1960s. These pictures give a little insight into the production of the time, for which 1,500 employees were employed at Laco.
Bei Laco beschäftigt wurden.
We now move on to the pilot watch section, which I'm sure you've been waiting for, because this is where we have the original 55mm pilot watch, the centerpiece of the Laco collection, on which the entire pilot watch collection is built. We also have a cozy sofa corner here, where we like to sit down with our customers and chat about watches over a cup of coffee. In this showcase, we display models that are unfortunately sold out by now. Generally, these are limited edition models. To stay updated on those and further information about Laco, you're welcome to subscribe to our newsletter. Popular watches of the Laco collection, which follow the Laco tradition, are the sports watches, which are available in different sizes and different versions. Our last stop brings us to the straps. We will gladly assist you in choosing a suitable strap for your watch. We have now reached the end of the tour of the Laco showroom. Don't hesitate to come and visit us in Pforzheim. We are already looking forward to seeing you.